Good day everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Francis Trigan. My number studied 2001023. I'm from class 1A study Nautica. Now I will explain about weather forecasting methods. Forecasting can be done in multiple ways. Satellites are important for tracking weather across oceans and other bodies of weather. Meteorological satellites are dedicated to tracking weather and include those that orbit at the poles of the Earth. Stationary satellites that monitor just one part of Earth's surface and satellites that orbit the entire planet. Satellites can gather information about clouds, temperature of the air and weather, currents, dust storms, ice coverage, and more. Information taken from these weather stations and satellites is used by meteorologists and computer software to model currents and winds, to track temperatures and storms, and to predict what weather will happen next, where it will happen, and how it may impact ships and other vessels on the ocean. And some other forecasting methods, climatology. The climatology method is another simple way of producing a forecast. This method involves averaging weather statistics accumulated over many years to make the forecast. And next, analog method. The analog method is slightly more complete method of producing a forecast. It involves examining today's forecast scenario and remembering a day in the past when the weather scenario looked very similar. The forecaster would predict that the weather in this forecast will behave the same as it did in the past. And numerical weather prediction. Numerical weather prediction, or NWP, use the power of computer to make a forecast. Complex computer programs, also known as forecasted models, run on supercomputers and provide predictions on many atmospheric variables such as temperature, pressure, wind, and rainfall. A forecaster examines how the features predicted by the computer will interact to produce the day's weather. The NWP method is flat in that the equations used by the map models to simulate the atmosphere are not precise. I think only that what I can explain for now. If something goes wrong, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you next time.